Disgraced former district attorney Linda Stanley is accused of near comedic levels of unethical behavior. Disbarred for a string of ethics breaches, just served with a lawsuit for improperly spending taxpayer money on her defense, and now they think she took the office furniture on the way out. Our Mark Salinger has that.
My name is Linda Stanley. I'm the district attorney for the 11th Judicial.
Linda Stanley was stripped of her ability to represent Chaffee, Fremont, and Custer counties when she lost her law license in November. Now she needs yet another lawyer of her own.
To be blunt, it's been an embarrassment.
Kevin Grantham is a commissioner in Fremont County. His county, along with two others that Stanley used to represent, are now suing the former district attorney. They want back more than $110,000 of taxpayer funds that Stanley used to pay her own legal fees. $110,000 spent on lawyers. She still lost her ethics case and her law license. The county also believes some office furniture went missing when she left. They're still trying to figure out what she took.
We take no pride in what we're having to do here, but the fact of the matter is, taxpayers are owed money, and we're going to go after it.
New documents obtained by 9 News show Linda Stanley has been long gone from her job as DA, even before she actually lost her job. It was so bad, the incoming district attorney felt it was necessary to submit an affidavit to the Supreme Court about Stanley's work ethic. She has not been seen in the office since early spring of 2024. Incoming DA Jeff Lindsay wrote, "The state of the office is currently chaotic, and there is no hope it will improve," he added.
Obviously, Mark, this is not where we want to be. This is not where you envision things going.
It took 9 days to track Stanley down and serve her with the new lawsuit. Eventually, they found her in a cabin in a small town of less than 30 people in Park County. We've tried reaching out to her and her lawyers for months. She rarely ever responds.
Fact of the matter is, this person that we're suing has been disbarred from her own profession. And so I'm not sure where nearly $300,000 will come from. Let's put it that way.
So the counties want triple the amount of money that Stanley spent on her legal fees. So they're asking her to pay $330,000. While we obviously don't know what her finances look like, she did recently ask the Supreme Court to not strip her of her law license, to allow her to keep working so that she could make more money to repay those legal fees, Kyle.
You know, you got to say, Mark, I mean, some people will have a lapse and get accused of doing one thing that's unethical. These allegations suggest that Linda Stanley kind of made it her personality.
Yeah, I mean, you heard the commissioner right there say that it's an embarrassment, to be blunt. Now, she has until January 6th to respond to this lawsuit, asking for that $330,000. If she doesn't, the commissioner said they're going to go after her any way they can.
All right, Mark Salinger, still on it for us. Thank you, Mark.